Hi, this is Mike Turner with Front Street Brokers, and I just finished this new chart on the Boise real estate market, housing price history. So what I did is I took out the last 10 years of home price statistics and I created this really cool chart that kind of shows you what the heck's going on and what has gone on and what's the forecast coming into 2012, 2013. So having a look at this chart, the red here is the 6 month median sales average. So rather than taking monthly snapshots, it looks at the last previous 6 months. So it's kind of like seasonally adjusted, so there's less month-to-month fluctuations. And this green line here is the 3% appreciation line. So a 3% appreciation or 3% over time inflation. A lot of times if you look at housing, it's kind of averaged around 3 to 5% and growth, over the long term. And so looking at the early part of 2002, 2003, 2004, we looked at pretty steady, pretty healthy growth during this time frame. And that's good to point out because during this timeline we were kind of following along this 3% appreciation line, and then all of a sudden, it went crazy time. We all know this happened. It was this crazy growth. It shot up like crazy and hit this peak way in late 2006, and then it started its long and painful, very painful crash, starting in 08, 09, and just fell off a cliff. Pretty much, in 2009, in theory, we kind of overcorrected in a sense, and we've been dropping ever since. And the bottom looks to be January, February of 2011, right in here. But a lot of people don't realize what the Boise market's been doing over the last year. Check out this gain. I mean, this is a serious gain in median home price over the last year. And this dark purple right here is my forecast. And this forecast is based on what I'm seeing in the marketplace. You still have really low inventory, which is helping this forecast go up. There's also a lot less foreclosures on the market, which normally pushes down the median sale price. And so I'm actually expecting to continue to go up for the 2012. Not crazy up. I do see some fluctuations down. There's still a lot of short sales coming on the market. I did see a little uptick in notice of defaults. I don't think it's been enough to drop us back down to here by any means, but I think this is kind of going to be our new base. And so what I'm expecting is you kind of go back and see where we are where I'm expecting to be in this forecast. That's about where we were in 2009-ish, and also going back a little further, kind of where we were in late, or early 2005. So this isn't overly optimistic. It's still below, the 3% appreciation line if you look at the beginning of the decade. But this is where I see us at. I think we're going to get into the 170s, 180s in median sale price of existing homes for the Ada County, which is where Boise's at. And I think we're going to slowly climb further up here, more of a more typical pace, not this frantic jump like we're seeing right here. So that's my prediction, and I wanted to share this cool chart I created for you. If you have more questions, or you want to see more information on the Boise real estate market, you go to frontstreetbrokers.com. We got tons of stuff there, more charts like this one, more videos like this. So check it out, frontstreetbrokers.com. I'm Mike Turner with Front Street Brokers, and if you like this video and you like my chart, please like the video or make a comment down below. I love that, and I'll catch you back next week. Take care.